Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use user management. The user management module allows administrators to create new users and manage the access permissions for new and existing users. Only the users who have administrator privileges can access the user management module. From the navigation menu, go to Setup and select User Management. To add a user, select Add User on the User Management page. Provide the first name, last name and email address of the user and confirm if the details are correct. There is no option to change this afterwards. Choose if you want to copy over the permissions of an existing user and select the user with the permissions you want to copy to the new user. You can search on top or scroll through the list of existing users. You can check if everything looks correct on this page. Then press Next and send a welcome email with the sign-in details to the new user. Click on Complete to go back to the user details and click Go to User List to go back to all users. From this list, the admin is also able to delete users. This can be restored within 30 days if needed. You can also disable a user by clicking on the View option in a user. Use the Disable toggle to disable this user. For existing users, the admin can also change or check on permissions by checking on the View button. In the menu on the left, you are able to check on user details. You can change account security, manage access to a feature, manage access to a specific company address, manage procurement settings, limit access to SoftwareOne entities, configure and manage access to spend management, and manage access to collaboration site folders. Whatever your needs, the client portal can help you streamline your interactions. Thank you for watching.